Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Hello children, today we will revise names of birds. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. O-W-L, owl. O-W-L, owl. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. C-R-O-W, crow. C-R-O-W, crow. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. M-Y-N-A-H, manna. M-Y-N-A-H, manna. S-W-A-N, swan. S-W-A-N, swan. Now children, once again, repeat with me. Hen, owl, duck, eagle, parrot, sparrow, pigeon, peacock, crow, ostrich, manna and swan. So children, what did we revise today? Names of birds. Have a nice day.